Well, the saga is over. Amy is no longer in the tree. Amy is in the cage, and she's rescued. It was a tough one. I had to climb a tree beside a tree to get her, and she's in the cage right now, and she's a big girl. Amy, look over here. Amy, she's not happy. She is not happy, right? Amy, 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 are you happy? Well, okay, you'll be happy when you go down, right? Okay, all right, okay. We're gonna send her on down, but this was a 2-day affair. She didn't come in the trap last night, and so I had to come up this morning and coached her with some food and water and other enticements. And then finally she came down. But, I mean, she didn't come down. She came into the trap, and I was able to set the trap. So now we're gonna lower her down. Okay, so another successful cat rescue. This is cat rescue 14, and it was a good one. It was fun. Oh boy. Okay, we're going down.